Hello, Eve's here with Happy Tales series for you. Welcome to Happy English School. And today we are going to read one of my most favorite tales. It's called The Hen and the Rose. Enjoy! There was a beautiful rose in a beautiful garden. Every morning she looked at the sun and smiled. But one morning, when the sun came out, he was surprised to see that his friend, the rose, looked sad. He wanted to know what the matter was. "Dear Rose," said the sun, "why do you look so sad?" "Oh dear," answered the rose, "I'm so unhappy because an ugly worm is eating my leaves and will not go away." The sun felt very sorry for the rose. "I will not shine," he said, "until Rose is happy." So he hid behind a cloud. The wind came along. "Father Sun," he cried, "why are you not shining today?" "Rose is so unhappy," answered the sun. "An ugly worm is eating her leaves and will not go away. I will not shine until Rose is happy." "I too am so sorry for Rose," said the wind. "I will not blow until Rose is happy." And the wind stopped blowing. A bird was surprised when the wind stopped blowing. "Mr. Wind," he called, "why have you stopped blowing?" "Rose is so unhappy. An ugly worm is eating her leaves and will not go away. So Father Sun will not shine, and I will not blow until Rose is happy." "I also love Rose," sang the bird. "I will not sing again until Rose is happy." The bird met a hen. "Why do you look so sad? Why aren't you singing?" asked the hen. "Rose is so unhappy. An ugly worm is eating her leaves and will not go away. So Father Sun will not shine, Mr. Wind will not blow, and I will not sing again until Rose is happy." "Really?" cried the hen. "Please, tell me how this will help Rose. If you want to help Rose, you must do something for her. Come with me." The hen and the bird went to see the rose. The old hen asked no questions. She did not even take time to say good morning. She looked at the leaves of the rose with her little eyes. She found the worm and ate it. "There," she said, "see how I have helped Rose and at the same time had a delicious breakfast." That's it for today. I hope you found it interesting and wise. What's the moral of the story? Don't just sit and do nothing. Do something. For example, look through the text again, find the sentences in past simple and put them into present simple. There was a beautiful rose in a beautiful garden. There is a beautiful rose in a beautiful garden. Every morning she looked at the sun and smiled. Every morning she looks at the sun and smiles. That's it for today. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. It's free. See you next time. Bye-bye.